Good morning, everyone. Today I will show you and why nail polishes needs to be shaken. Okay, so all nail polishes needs to be shaken, especially when it is your first time to use. Um, here, our early polish. Okay, so if you can see to shake this before we use it. Like us girls, we need to be shaken, right? We need to work out, we need to exercise in order to look good. The same with these polishes. Look, all right? So as you can see, the colors went down, okay, and the clear polish is on top. Now for us, we always shake twice or three times and then we apply right away. Okay, that's not the right thing to do. So when you display your nail polishes from the beginning, you have to shake them properly. Shake them properly. Take time to shake until it is mixed thoroughly, because sometimes I receive calls and they're saying, Miss Mel, why my application it looks like bumpy? It looks like there's gel, clear gel, and the color is separating from the gel or from the base or whatever they're using, right? So with regular polishes, with oily lacquer like this, okay, you can see the pigment is separated from the colorless, right? From the sheer color. So you have to do is you have to shake it thoroughly, especially the whites, because when you apply the whites, okay, especially for the tips, it doesn't look nice because it looks uneven. Your application will be uneven. Even if you are a very good nail technician, if you don't shake your nail polish before using them or before displaying them, okay, you will not be successful with your application. So what you're going to do is, from the box, once it's delivered to your salon, from the box, you have to shake it thoroughly before you display them. Alright? Especially with the gel polishes. Any gel polish, okay, you have to shake them from the beginning to make sure, okay, that the pigment is well mixed with the gel. There might be other brands that doesn't need shaking, okay, but I can only tell you a few brands. But with our gel FX, you really have to shake them properly before you display, so that when you are ready to use for your treatments or your application, you will have an even application, especially the dark colors and the light colors. So guys, I hope you understand the importance of shaking of your nail polishes. Any colored polish needs to be shaken. Actually, even the gel builders, sometimes they precipitate. The color, the pigment goes down and some clear gel goes up. So for me, when it just arrived, I have to mix them, okay, and then just let them stand up or bottom stay at the bottom of the bottle, because sometimes when you let your gel tumble down everywhere in your tray or in your drawer, you know, using them will be messy. So girls, you have to give importance to shaking. Shake, 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 shake before you display, so that when you are ready to use it, you just have to shake it a few times and you're ready to go. And I hope you will follow the procedures all the time, because if you don't, that is when you will have your service breakdown. Service breakdown means it lifts, okay? The nails will be lifted in few days or maybe few hours, and you will have complaint from your clients, and complaint is not good for business.